Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use a Runna discount code. As you can see, I'm literally just signing up, and right after you use your Google account or you use an email, they'll give you two options: either get started or enter a referral code. So just tap on referral code, and literally all you need to do is go to Google, okay, and just search up run a referral code. You'll find a lot on Reddit, okay? There's a lot of posts. Just open up Reddit, copy any of these codes, and then just go back to the app. And all you need to do is paste this in and click on verify. And as you can see, we should get it verified. Let's go ahead and close this. As you can see, that's the code. It's been applied. Click on get started, and then you can begin signing up. It's really that easy and simple, and that is how you use a Runna discount code.